At SCCA, we're a membership organization, we're a club. The community aspect is just as important as the racing. We like to say people came for the cars and the racing and they stayed for the people. It's a little bit unique to be a part of that. We actually govern all of our rules and all of our races through volunteers, through members that do that, that support those aspects of the club and the racing. At the national organization where I work, we help take the rules that have been put in place by the organization, and we work with all of our regions across the country that put on over 200 events a year, road racing events a year, to do it consistently, to apply different procedures and the rules, and also to find new ways that we can bring new members into our club. And we've got a number of initiatives that are working really well in bringing young drivers in. Mazda has been a great partner of ours, and they've created a ladder series that now comes through the SCCA road racing program, the amateur part, and they can win scholarships to go up into the IMSA MX5 Cup. We work with a lot of young drivers. We welcome their families in. That's a really important part of a young driver's career, is to welcome their family, make them feel like they're a part of this. I know that a lot of young drivers are looking for this to become a career. And there are opportunities in SCCA and other organizations to make that happen. But it's also something that you may end up doing for the rest of your life. And that's what our membership has found. People that start at a young age continue to race. They may race professionally at some point in their career. And then sometimes after they race professionally, they come back and they continue to race with SCCA for fun. Because ultimately, we love to drive race cars. I never expected to race at a high level. I grew up in an amateur racing family. We did it for fun. But as I raced more and more and connected with more people that could help me out, I ended up having good results. I had some excellent finishes at the national championship runoffs, runner-up a number of times, finished third a number of times, but I just didn't seem like I could ever get to the top step. And then in 2017, at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, everything came together, the stars aligned, and it all worked out for me to finish on the top step, cross the yard of bricks first. I started from the pole. I lost the lead early. I had to fight back, and we ended up having 2 restarts during the race, so I had to fend the rest of the field off. But each time, everything was just clicking that week for me. It was just a surreal moment to finally cross the line first, and I couldn't even believe it. Now when I watch the video of it and I see my hands on my helmet as I'm coasting down toward turn 1, it's almost like I was watching myself do it. And it just, it was a dream come true for me, for an amateur racer to win the runoffs. It took me years to realize that it really is about preparation and the effort that you put in before you even get to the track. In professional racing, it's about having a great team and the right people around you. In amateur racing, there's a lot of great teams, but there's a lot of one-man or one-woman efforts that are the engineer, the chief mechanic, the truck driver, the head of hospitality for when their friends show up. So it's about preparing for that moment and just getting everything lined up and getting the right advice from the right people, not trying to overthink things, using what worked all year to get to that one winner-take-all championship race that we have at the runoffs, which is somewhat unique. But it really is, it's about preparation and the mindset and not trying to do too much when you've had success already.
And don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell for more tutorials.
And let us know in the comments what you would like to see next.